doing, a little bit of a summary about what the environment team have been up to. It also provides you with all charts about the environment, so how our environment department is structured. It also gives you capability statements as well, if you need to provide anything like that for a bid or a proposal or a client ask bid. So again, we're trying to, this information, it's not quite like it needs to be or we want it to be, or everything, every day we're uploading. Okay, lastly, unlicensed software. Unlicensed software obviously is a big problem for your IT department, and I think everybody sat at this chair, sat at these tables at some point would have installed unlicensed software, maybe not a PV machine or at some point. The problem that we're faced with here in the Middle East now is because of the current, even though I know there's a global recession, there are still lots of businesses starting up out here. It's still a commercial hotspot. And because of this, the BSA, the British Software Alliance, is actually, there's a big drive to cut unlicensed software being used within the Middle East. And software companies don't, back maybe 5 years ago, they'd have to come and force an actual audit of your computer system. So they'd have to come into the building, you'd have to provide them access to the network, and they'd then walk around and have a look at people's machines to see what they've got installed. Well, they no longer have to do that. The software that they currently have now sends information back to a centralized server over the internet. Every single one of you at some point will connect to the internet. If you do have an unlicensed piece of software on your machine, it can be, the information will be sent back to a centralized server, and then we will be notified. We've had several instances,